Hey guys, Michael here. So excited to be here again with another amazing episode. So on today's episode, I'm going to be showing you what I'm implementing across almost all my campaigns as a pre-Black Friday promotion. This promotion makes my clients millions of dollars every single year and is such a great way to prime your customers and find new customers right before Black Friday for so cheap. Literally like 5 to 15 cents each lead is absolutely crazy. And then we can start retargeting them. So with no further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. I cannot wait. And let's go over the exact sheet and spreadsheet that I put together. And you guys are going to be able to find this down below in the bio. So feel free to review this on your own and go back and reference any spot. But basically what we're going to be doing is a pre-Black Friday lead, early teaser, and build-up campaign. I'm going to show you guys how to set this up here in one moment. So what is the point of this? It's to tease exclusive Black Friday offers that will start mid-October, also mid-November, to generate buzz and anticipation. So what we're going to do is use a lead gen ad to collect emails or engage with customers with early signups for an exclusive Black Friday, option or access or coupon some sort. All right, so I also recommend a creative refresh along this time, mentioning keywords like limited time, Black Friday deals, exclusive, creating urgency. That's how you're going to get above and in front of everybody over your competition. Now, with this, you can also use this exact email list to aggressively retarget these people all the way within the past 2 to 6 months and currently to find all the best people and have tailored offers specifically to them. All right, so I have a few other things on here that I will have you guys kind of go through and check out if you guys would like, but I'm going to go ahead and get right to it. So what we're going to do is go ahead and show you how to go ahead and set up this campaign. But before I even do, I actually want to show you it in live action right now. So here's actually a campaign I have set up, but I went ahead and selected a campaign that I set up 2 days ago for this person. So I set this up 2 days ago. It's now the 16th. It's a Black Friday giveaway. Now, thank you for this person for allowing me to demonstrate your brand and your product and the ads manager. Absolutely amazing. We'll go ahead and get into that here in one moment. But let's go ahead and look at the details. So as you see, we've spent a total of $19 in the last 2 days. And since then, we've generated a total of 119 leads at 16 cents per lead. Click-through rate is actually amazing at 24% and a really cheap cost per click. So really good numbers here. And we just got this started, so it's actually probably only going to get better here in a second. So now let's go ahead and take a look at how this is set up. Now, if I go to the ad set level, what I did was broad targeting in just the US alone, and then I specified exact interests, so not so broad actually, but I specified exact interests that worked for this person in the past. So I gathered like all their 3 to 5 best interests, and I stacked it inside of here to target or try to find the people that are most interested in them. From there, we went to the ad level where we're going to do a $250 giveaway instant lead. So this is like a giveaway that we're going to be offering for Black Friday. Around Black Friday, we're going to be collecting several leads, and then we're going to be giving away, their highest bundle of product right before Black Friday, valued at anywhere from like $200 to $500 across the board for some of my clients. Some of my clients, have products upwards of $2,000, so they're putting $2,000 on this, and obviously the higher the number, the cheaper the cost per lead is going to be. But here's some great options. So actually, we'll show you this on the ad level. So if you go on the ad level, here we have, so enter a chance to win $250 worth of luxury men's fragrance. We have the name of the 3 fragrances. We show the product right here, early Black Friday giveaway, and sign up. So this is going to be an instant lead on Facebook. So now if we go ahead and scroll down just a little bit more, you'll actually see the lead magnet that I actually went ahead and set up. We can scroll down just a little bit more to take a look at it. But here what it is, name of the brand giveaway, enter, enter to win what you're giving away, what's the value of it, enter to win today, and then simple phone number or simple email and name. Now, some people want to do phone number as well. If you want to do a phone number, you want to go ahead and incorporate it here. I like to do the high intent option, so that way it gives us a little bit better, so they can review it, the higher intent people. And then now here's the bread and butter. So even though this is a lead campaign, this still can generate purchases, and here's how. So you're going to go ahead and give them an offer right away. So thanks, you're all set up. If you want to try, the brand right away, here's a 30% off coupon, and then use, the coupon at checkout. So that's going to be something that is recommended. They can hit view website and they'll go to website. They can put in that right away. And that's a way that they can get purchases and people to discount right away on top of getting these leads initially. So that's a great way. We're actually able to capture those leads. Now I'm actually going to go ahead and show you how to set this up as well firsthand. So let's go ahead and get into that as well. I'm going to switch over to my ad account right now. So we're over in my ad account now, and I'm going to go ahead and set up this campaign from scratch, this lead campaign from scratch right now. Not sure what I'm going to be giving away or if I'm going to be running this live myself, but I might. So let's give it a shot. So with no further ado, what you're going to want to do is press create right here. From there, you're going to want to go press lead, continue. We're going to go ahead and set up as a manual lead. So set it up as a manual lead. Now, go ahead and date this. So, 10, this is 16th today. So 10/16, say like pre-Black Friday lead. You can say lead magnet or however you also don't have to do capitalization. My capitalization messed up, but we're going to keep it like that. All right, and then, lead the leads alone. You can do a CBO or ABO. I would probably just turn this on as a CBO of $10 per each ad set. Leave everything else alone. You can go ahead and hit next. It'll actually take you to the ad set level. Now, ad set, this would be your stacked best interests. And then you would scroll down. We're going to do instant forms. So going to go to instant forms right here. And you'll select your page that you want the instant forms to run on. We'll go ahead and scroll down. And you see right here where the audience is set up, we're going to switch to original audience settings. So it's going to say it could give you up to 33% less. That's incorrect. Let's go ahead and just hit use original. Now on here, what we want to do is find a detailed target section. So right here, detailed targeting, we want to press edit. And it's where you're going to choose different interests. Deselect this, reach outside your audience right here. This is where you're going to choose your different interests related to your brand. So say I'm targeting jewelry owners. So I'll do like diamonds, jewelry, pearls, stuff like that. Stack about 3 to 5 of your best interests together. If it says you need to accept the terms and conditions, just find that about right here. View terms and conditions, agree and accept, and then that'll go away. That's going to be it for the ad set level. Now what you're going to want to do is go ahead and go next, and you want to go to the ad level. So now on the ad level, just say like ad 1 or giveaway 1, just like so. Select your page and your Instagram account. Single image or video is fine. Then you want to upload your image. Now you might not know like what to run for an image. I actually had some examples, so you can use the examples I showed you just a second ago with the last brand. But what you can actually do is you can actually go to Canva, and they have templates for you. Just go to Canva and type in Black Friday, and literally just put in pre in front of it, pre Black Friday, and then whatever you're giving away or whatever you plan on advertising to be offered up. So you're going to add that image here. So add image. I'm just going to add a placeholder image for now. And we'll say my person. Alright, so we'll hit next. Now there's a number of these that I might turn off. For example, I'll probably turn off music. Everything else can be left on. It's just kind of elevator music, so I don't really like that over my content. Now for here, this is where I'm going to put the giveaway primary text. Let me go ahead and reference that. I believe I have some over here for you. So right here, it's going to be primary text right above. So what you're going to do is copy that and paste it over here. And then you're just going to put in your products. So what they're getting. So enter for a chance to win, whatever they're winning. And you want to put 3 of those down there. 3 of those products or so. Vitamin organizer, 3 of 1 product, and then like Stanley water bottle. Something along those lines. Obviously you can make it look a little bit better, but that's like a really good sign. And then now for the headline, we'll say what it is. So like enter for a chance to win 500 off ads done for you service. Then scrolling down, you'll need a description, leave it as sign up. And then now here's the point where we're going to create the form. So we can actually just build it from scratch. And so what I like to do is actually go ahead and hit create, then I go ahead and name it. So we'll do like pre-Black Friday form. And then what I like to do is higher intent, just gives them a step to review, as you see right there. Intro. So what you want to do is select greeting. As you see, it's recommended. And you want to go ahead and enter a headline. So I actually already have a headline over here for us. So we can go ahead and reference that. So we can say your brand name is brand giveaway. So I'd say brand giveaway. I'm going to change this brand name to Hydraspire. Hydraspire giveaway. And then enter to win. Enter to win. We'll say your first month free. We'll say 2,000 in value for free. Enter to win. And then now we're gonna go ahead and continue. So what you want to do now is go to the question icon and just enter your contact information below, or just say enter to win. And then what you want to do is do full name first, email, and then I usually add a category of phone number for SMS. And then what we want to do is go to the privacy policy, and you want to link your privacy policy from your website, so copy and paste. Then you want to go ahead and go to the review page. You don't have to actually do anything for the review page. And then the message page. So once they complete that, you're going to give them a message. So you actually want to go ahead and complete this as well. So on the message page, I actually have something over here, just like this. Thanks, you're all set, which is already there. And then we want to give them a promotion right away. So if you want to try, the brand's name, so Hydraspire products today, here's a 30% off coupon. Use giveaway at checkout. So we want to put that over here. So then we want to put that right there, and then we'll have it go to the website. Then we can have the website link either to a collection or a specific product. And then we'll say view website or get access. And you want to go ahead and say create form. It'll create that form for you. Then as simple as that, you'll be able to come down here and hit publish, and your first lead campaign will be on the road. So what you're going to be doing with this is gathering people that are interested in your products. And so what you can later on do is retarget these people with email, SMS, and on Facebook. So 3 ways. So absolutely brilliant. Love this. And so what we can do is I have a couple other things as well. So here's some information of what type of content I would recommend you doing. You can do, Black Friday exclusives. You can show packages or your holiday vibe. For the lead form setup, again, we did an instant form and we kept it super simple. You don't want to have it complicated. The more complicated it is, the more people are going to leave. What we can later on do is retarget those people, use them as a lookalike, eventually interest-based test them, and put them together in demographics as well. I would add them to an email flow right away, and then obviously over time follow them up with retargeting when you're ready. You also want to A/B test, different creatives always. And you want to optimize for conversion purchases when you are retargeting these people later on. This is just to get the people that have that intent early on in their awareness of buying your product. Perfect. So that's going to actually be it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm going to go ahead and provide this down below. If you guys like this video, go ahead and provide me a like or a follow. I would greatly appreciate it. A subscription. You guys know how it is. And additionally, if you guys implement this and it ends up working for you, go ahead and comment down below that you guys got this a lot, that you got this and it's worked for you. It would mean the absolute world to me, more than you guys even know it. And with no further ado, I'm out.